We're at a marketing conference, and all these people, we have a lot of the world's best marketers in the world that are at this conference right now, and many that want to learn how to be just great marketers. And you're a phenomenal marketer. You've gotten some of the most unique PR on the planet. What are your thoughts on being a great marketer and promoter?
Well, I mean, I also think fun should come into marketing. There was an occasion where British Airways decided to sponsor a giant wheel opposite the Houses of Commons in London, England, and this giant wheel was lying flat on the ground, and they got all the press together one morning where they were going to lift the wheel up, and I got a call at about 7 in the morning saying that BA had technical problems and they couldn't get the wheel up, and all the press, the world's press, were there waiting. We had an airship company, so I rang up the airship company and we scrambled an airship, and the airship went right over the wheel, and it had a massive big banner across it which simply said, "BA can't get it up." And anyway, we got more coverage around the world for that than I think any other one single thing we'd done.
That is fabulous, and that's getting a big applause in case you can't hear it over there, by the way.
Yeah, it's terrible. Anyway. On marketing generally, I think that the cheapest form of marketing is not full-page adverts in the press. It's free advertising. So if you're up against a big corporation, you do need to use yourself to try to get free advertising, and try to do it in fun ways like that, so you stand out from the crowd. Try to make sure you end up doing something that hits the front page of the newspapers rather than the back page. But obviously we've gone to extreme lengths to try to put Virgin on the map. Whether it's trying to be the first across the Atlantic in a hot air balloon, or the Pacific in a hot air balloon, or but it did help, I think, create the Virgin brand, make it a fun brand, and a brand that people could identify with.